We have an opening activity, but first, let me ask you. You know the subject for today's class? Okay, today's class is about the parts of the speech, how you speak. But in order to begin, we're going to have a Kahoot, okay? You alert? Sleep. What is it? Adjective, verb, noun, or modal. Don't say it out loud, guys. Let everyone decide for themselves. So, okay, so right? Great, thanks. Let's go to the next one. Beautiful. What kind of word is beautiful? Is it an adjective, a verb, a noun, or modal? Who's brave badger? Yeah. Okay, you're doing just fine. Keep it up. Let's go to the next one. Well, another tricky case, right? What do you mean well? I mean well. Yeah, you're correct. Can be different things or different interpretations, but never mind. Both are also correct. So why would you say well is a noun?
It's like, well, I don't know about the word.
Yeah, try it. It's a place where you won't get water from, right? So that could be a thing. So it would be a noun. But well can also be an adverb because it qualifies a verb, right? You did it well. Okay? That was the last one, and let's see what happens with the score. Here is the podium. Third place, decisive rhino, very good. Second place, yellow frog. So what happened at the end? Amusing rabbit. Who is amusing rabbit? Okay, very good, Maria. Okay, so this is from your book. It's page 17. So here are different parts of the speech, and we have to identify them from the paragraph that we have in the lower part of your screen. Okay, the next one, a noun. Where do you see a noun? Let's see. Well, language, but it's not the only one. The language is a thing, right? It's a noun. Okay? Let's go to the next one. Adjective. Embarrassed. Okay? Adverb. Can you find one? Okay. Quickly. Correct. A preposition? There are many, but the underlined words.
No.
Let's see. Good. Okay. Students living overseas for the first time can suffer from
Loneliness.
loneliness.
You want to know why they can feel lonely? Oh, why it's lonely?
Well, it doesn't sound right. Suffer from lonely. Maybe the student can be lonely, but in this case, it's loneliness. And what is loneliness? Is it an adjective or noun?
Oh, it's an identity.
Really?
Noun?
Yeah. Lonely would be, right?
Yeah.
He's lonely. He's feeling lonely. Let's go to the next one. Who would like to get the next one? You would like? You would like? Now, please raise your hand because next time, okay. Please read the sentence, see if it sounds right with either options.
It can take some time to adapt to a different culture.
It's different,
Yes.
right? So it's not different. So what would you say different is? An adjective or noun?
Yeah, no,
Let's see. Why did you say it was an adjective?
because it's like describing something.
It is different, right? So different is not a thing. So that's why it's not a noun. Okay? Very good. Who would like to get the next one? Thank you.
Silence often means the comfort of their own.
The comfort, not the comfortable, the comfort. So comfort, what is it?
A noun.
A noun, because comfort is a thing, right? The next one is a different case. Let's read the instruction. Who would like to help me reading the instruction, please? So this is a little bit more complex because we have to adapt the words. It has to be the same meaning, but the structure of the word is different accordingly if it's a noun or it's a verb. So the noun is advise. Advise is a thing. how would you turn that into a verb?
Advising, having.
If you are talking about that tense, yes, that could be. But let's see what happens. Okay, so it's time for the squirrel. So could you get the first one? So in this case, the simplest way to put it as a verb is advise. But in this case, pay attention to the difference. The advice, the thing that you are giving, is using a C. But in this form, as a verb, you use an S. Okay? You are advising. The advising is correct. Advise, it has. So it's great. Can you use that in a sentence?
Teacher advice that we have to.
Great, thank you. So throw the squirrel too. Who should answer the next one? Great, thank you. Go ahead. So in the next one, we have the verb inform. So what would be the noun?
Information.
Information. It makes sense, right? So can you use that on a sentence?
What information?
Yes.
Okay, so the document teacher made us read a lot of information.
Okay, great, thank you. Okay, this is one of those interesting cases where it's exactly the same word, either as a noun or as a verb, which is why we tell that English is wonderful, right? Because the rules out there used to be broken. Okay, who goes next? Thank you. So choose is a verb.
Choice.
I'm choosing, I chose. So the noun is a choice, correct. So can you use that in a sentence?
There was this book.
Yes, it was. Okay, great.